Hey guys, this is our food stub. The first thing you need to do is to get your food stub. State your number room. Yeah. So mag-breakfast kami ni Dayan dito sa Ryan.
It's 933.
And guys, ito na yung crew na namin.
Grabe.
Crew food stub.
Yeah. Anong oras na lang?
Exactly 7:02. 7:02.
Kasi kailangan namin mag-leave ng around 8 ba?
Yung booking mo ng hotel hanggang marami kami.
Kayo pa lang.
Thank you so much.
Kahapon di pa matakasabay sa inyo. Yun, nasabi pa lang sa akin.
ಅದು ನಿಂದ ಇರಿಗಿನ ಹುಡುಗ
Guys, naman pa. Well guys, good morning, Miami. So guys, we are here at Clarion Inn Hotel here in Miami Airport. Grabe. Ayan. It's so blessed morning to everyone, guys. It's a perfect day. Oh my god, ang ganda. Yeah. So with my friend Dayan, we're just walking here.
Malamig no? Hindi siya mainit. Actually,
Sa ngayon.
Hindi siya malamig.
Sa ngayon, pero kahapon talaga exactly mga 3 p.m.
Mainit? Dito?
Hi guys, we are here at I don't know kung anong lugar to. Something Kaneme Mansion. And grabe, napakaganda ng lugar na to. Tsaka guys, relaxing. Ang sarap. Ang sarap huminga, you know. Ang sarap City of Miami. Eh, ito may Miami na, oh.
Alin?
Nasa trash can nga
Trash
lang.
can yan, sis!
Naghahanap ng
Naghanap kami ng parang landmark.
pangalan ng Miami na kung saan pwede kami mag-picture doon. Para masabi naman na Miami to. Diyos
We're
ko.
currently here sa golf course nila.
Baka sabihin sa ano lang to, Ayala lang.
Somewhere sa New Valley.
Guys, here at Miami.
Oh, nice! Ang dami, ang sarap ng hangin. Actually, hindi siya malapit. Press mo kasi siya.
Oo. Okay guys, this is like a mansion that made of like a mold. Alam mo yung parang gawa lang sa putik. So we gonna take a picture dito na lang. Okay, sarap ng hangin.
Sarap mag-jogging, no?
Relaxing. Yeah. Parang di ko nga naiisip na may joining date tayo ngayon.
Uy, ano? Turista yard.
Naging turista tayo.
Alam, wait lang.
They're asking there for food. What kind of food do you want? I have an egg. Come. Hi guys, we're moving na. Going to port. Yeah. Baby, come here. Yeah, actually, we build and we know each other. Oh my God. Guys, may mga taga Brazil. Ano, Brazil?
Brazil,
Taga sa isa na?
India, yung isa.
India. Yeah.
Ang alam mo ito kung isa.
We are photo team, guys. We are photo team. And this is the bus we're gonna use going to the port of Carnival Conquest. Hindi ko.
This moment.
Guys, we're gonna go na. This is it. Ito yung sasakyan namin.
Yeah.
So guys, pinapasok na yung aming mga gamit. Guys, we need to go na. Okay guys, we need, sasakay na kami.
Nauna ka pa.
Hi. Yeah. Ito yung ano namin, no? Sasakayan. Di tayo?
Go. Wherever you want.
Here.
Yeah.
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 Oh, you brought your camera to me too.
You want it. Wala na ba nakalimutan? So guys, may mga nakilala kami and guys, kita-kita nyo naman. We're so excited and to see them.
Nagkatropa kayo pa na. Oo nga eh.
Yeah. Magkakaibig.
Ano niya eh. 6, 1, 3, 3, 2, 1. You see?
Matthew or Mateo, however you like. And I'm tasked with the responsibility of getting you out to your destination in a safe and timely manner. And I do
Yulong.
being that we on the F, actually no, we're on the J side. We'll be stopping at Carnival Sunrise first, and then we'll drop at Carnival Conquest. But feel free to think us where, however you like. Due to policy and procedures here at the port, when I stop at Terminal D, I'm going to act. Ladies and gentlemen, we are at Carnival Conquest again.
Okay guys, we're going down because we are here in Port of Miami. Ay, sorry. Hi guys. We need to get the luggage first.
Let me know where it's at. Grab it for you.
Hi guys, we are here. Sir, thank you so much. Here we go! Ang laki ng Kokosyo. Yes. Saan ka?
First contract nyo.
Yeah.
Ay, parang may pagkabanta.
Ay, hindi ah.
Baka hindi pag-ano, nag-worry to me.
Kaya may report.
Hi guys! Grabe, ang hirap mag-vlog pero carry to guys para maisama ko kayo sa journey ko. Nandito kami sa F, then with Dayan at my back. There we go. Sir, take a video. I'm a vlogger. Yeah, thank you so much, sir. My name is 37. Thank you so much. Allowed daw guys, allowed. So we're having vloggeries. Okay guys, I just want to update you. We are here na on my cruise ship here at Miami Port. So guys, pasakay na ako. Nare-ready ko na yung visa ko doon. Sa mga nag-update, sa mga nagtatanong kamusta ako guys. I'm fine, I'm safe, and well, okay guys. I'm so enjoy. Okay guys, we are totally in Carnival. It's okay to take a video? Yeah. Because I'm a vlogger. So guys,
Kunin mo nga yung bag ko dito. Ay, sorry, para makagawa na dito.
ano
Mamaya na.
Saan?
Mamaya na ba?
Okay guys, eto na. Totally in na kami dito sa Carnival.
Finally!
Conquest. Yan, with the yan.
After
Grabe.
almost a day.
It's
A day and a half.
almost ilang years? Ilang months na kasi kaso, but everything is worth it, you know. Totally worth it.
Masa na yung isa? Wawa naman siya. Si Rico Blanco.
Ayun si... As you see guys, this is our ship, the Carnival Conquest, here at Miami Port. Woo! Thank you Lord. It's a big ship.
Kaya mo dukutin? Hindi ka.
No. Okay guys, we are totally nagugulat sila guys. Hey guys, we are totally in.
Okay guys, no more phones and